Hey there, military buffs and gadget geeks. Today we're diving into the world of advanced military tech. The Merkava Mark IV is a fourth-generation main battle tank that was designed and manufactured by the Israeli Defense Forces. The tank is known for its excellent protection, mobility, and firepower, as well as its unique design that prioritizes crew survivability. The Merkava Mark IV features advanced armor protection, including composite and reactive armor, which provides superior defense against all kinds of anti-tank weapons, including heat and APFSDS rounds. The tank also has an active protection system, which uses radar and other sensors to detect and intercept incoming missiles and rockets. The Puma infantry fighting vehicle is a state-of-the-art armored vehicle developed by the German companies Krauss Maffei Wegmann (KMW) and Rheinmetall. One of the key features of the Puma is its advanced protection system. The vehicle incorporates modular composite and ceramic armor, providing high levels of ballistic and mine protection. The Puma's armor is designed to withstand a range of threats, including anti-tank missiles and improvised explosive devices, IEDs. The vehicle also features an active protection system that detects and intercepts incoming projectiles, further enhancing its survivability on the battlefield. The High Mobility Multipurpose Wheeled Vehicle, HMMWV, commonly known as the Humvee, is a versatile and iconic military vehicle that has been in service with the United States military since the 1980s. The HMMWV was developed to meet a wide range of mission requirements, including troop transport, cargo transport, reconnaissance, and weapons platform. Its design incorporates features that enable it to operate in various terrains and climates, making it suitable for diverse operational environments. French startup Iguana has developed the Iguana Pro, an amphibious boat with two 900 horsepower engines. This vessel can reach speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour on water and traverse various terrains on land, including roads, sand, and rocky surfaces, while conquering inclines of up to 40 degrees. To navigate on land, the Iguana Pro utilizes Kevlar tracks that connect to the hull through robust hydraulic props. These props fold in less than a minute when entering the water. The M109 Paladin is a self-propelled artillery system that has been in service with the United States Army since the 1960s. It is a highly versatile and mobile platform that can provide accurate and devastating firepower to ground troops. One of the key features of the Paladin system is its mobility. The tracked chassis allows it to move easily across different types of terrain, and the howitzer can be fired while on the move. The Paladin also has a range of self-protection features, including smoke grenade launchers and a machine gun for close defense. The RM-70 is a well-known MRL system that was developed in the former Czechoslovakia and is still in service with several countries today. It is based on the Tatra 8x8 truck chassis, which provides excellent off-road mobility and stability for the launcher system. It is equipped with 40 launch tubes, arranged in a rectangular configuration on a turntable, capable of firing 122 mm rockets. The system is operated by a crew of 3 personnel who can quickly reload the launch tubes with new rockets using a specialized loading mechanism. The M113 Armored Personnel Carrier, APC, is a versatile and widely used military vehicle designed for troop transport and battlefield mobility. It has been in service with various armed forces around the world since its introduction in the 1960s. The M113 has proven itself as a reliable and adaptable platform, with numerous variants developed to fulfill a range of mission requirements. The vehicle can accommodate a driver and a crew of up to 11 fully equipped soldiers, including a commander and a gunner. The FEH-77BW Archer is a self-propelled artillery system developed by the Swedish defense company BAE Systems Bofors. It is a highly advanced and mobile artillery platform that can provide accurate and responsive fire support to ground troops. One of the key features of the Archer system is its advanced automation and computerization. The howitzer is equipped with an automatic loading system that can load and unload shells in less than 30 seconds. The system's hydraulic suspension also allows it to be raised or lowered, depending on the terrain, ensuring a stable firing platform. The Nora B-52 is a Serbian-made 155mm self-propelled howitzer that was developed in the 1990s. It has a range of up to 41 kilometers and can fire up to 6 rounds per minute. It is also equipped with an advanced fire control system, which includes a laser rangefinder, a digital battlefield management system, and a navigation system. In recent years, it has undergone several upgrades to improve its capabilities. These upgrades have included improvements to its armor protection, increased range, and the addition of a new autoloader system. The M142 High Mobility Artillery Rocket System, HIMARS, is a modern, highly mobile, and versatile rocket launcher utilized by the United States Army and several other international military forces. Developed by Lockheed Martin, the HIMARS is designed to provide long-range precision fire support for ground troops in a wide range of operational environments. The primary armament of the HIMARS consists of a 6-round pod container, which can house a variety of rockets, including the Army Tactical Missile System, ATACMS, and the Guided Multiple Launch Rocket System, GMLRS. Bayraktar TB2 is a Turkish-made unmanned aerial vehicle or drone developed by Baykar Makina, a Turkish defense company. It has gained recognition and popularity, with over 100 units produced and exported to various countries around the world. It gained significant attention after its successful use in the Nagorno-Karabakh conflict between Armenia and Azerbaijan in 2020. In addition, since 2022, Bayraktar has been effectively used by Ukraine to protect its territories from the Russian army. The MQ-1C Grey Eagle is an unmanned aerial vehicle developed by General Atomics Aeronautical Systems for the United States Army. It is a derivative of the Predator drone and is designed to provide the Army with long-endurance, medium-altitude intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance capabilities, as well as the ability to carry out precision strikes against ground targets. It is powered by a heavy fuel engine that enables it to operate at high altitudes and in extreme weather conditions. It can be used for border patrol, disaster response, and law enforcement, among other applications. Thank you for tuning in to our video on advanced military tech. If you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and leaving a comment with your thoughts on this fascinating topic.